I hope you had a wonderful resurrection weekend. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am feeling well. I hope you had a wonderful resurrection weekend, because I sure did. Thank you, subscribers, for your continued support. You know I had to stop before I went on. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I am elated to have you as a part of the G&G family. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, my question is always going to be, why not? Why not? Today I am styling my hair for, I'll say, a road trip. Going to a bit of warmer climate. And I'm just looking forward to that. After you see me style my hair, you will also see some of the outfits that I have decided that I am going to take along with me. And maybe while I'm on the trip, I'll show you what I'm wearing and how I'm wearing these outfits, because I don't think that I will wear it exactly as I have them styled at the end of the video. I'm going to tie down the front of my hair to try to tame these edges. And I'm going to take a break because I have a little nick on my finger, and then I'll be right back with you. Yeah, that's repaired my fingernails because I do not want to tear into my locks. So I'm going to pull my hair back just a little bit for a style that I think I'm going to do and wear for a couple of days. And this is just to try to tame some of the gray in the front of my hair, and also to give me a guide for the beginning and the end of what I'm doing. And you'll see exactly what I mean as I move along. If I can still do this, I will. Hope this works out the way that I want it to. Now I have to decide how I'm going to deal with this other part hanging out. Now I'm trying to find a black ponytail holder to secure this. I want to see if I can use one of these little black rubber bands, because I don't care if it pops. So my little black rubber band now has a purpose. They just sit there. Okay. I'm going to tie this back up. But I want you to see in this video just how my hair is supposed to look. But I'm keeping this tied for as long as I can to tame these grays for as long as I can. So this is my hairstyle. Tell me what you think. I like it. I can do this. I can do this. I like it. I'm gonna give you a 360 while I see it as well. Yeah, I think I did pretty good with this. I'm looking forward to my trip. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your continued support. And yes, stay tuned for the outfits. Talk to you later.